In this video, we'll show you how to set up failover. To get started, make sure you have two servers clustered together. Let's head over to the Server menu. Select your first server and click on the Failover tab. From here, go ahead and enable the failover function. If you leave the switch off, that camera won't fail over. Now, set the maximum number of cameras this server can handle. This includes both your current cameras and any others it might take over. After that, you can set your failover priority. You can choose low, medium, or high, depending on the camera and available channels. Now let's move on to the next server. Just as we did earlier, you can configure the priority right here. If a server doesn't have enough space to take on more cameras, you'll see a warning. And repeat that same process if you want to be able to failover in both directions.